so fun.
It is so fun. This thing is absolutely bonkers.
I wouldn't mind like giving it a little swing up there if you don't mind.
No, do it. Absolutely. You can take it down the cat track however far you want. It works off of like a linkage system. So you lean it right and the whole linkage system leans over like that so that the edges are still in contact with the snow.
Whoa.
See all that? And then leans.
Whoa, what?
So the articulation of that, you can really get this on some steep ass shit.
Sick. Yeah, try it, dude. Awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, just give it a whirl, dude. Use the handlebars to lean it to the edge that you want it to be on. Yeah, and now turn it the other way. Yeah. Yeah, dude. You did great.
Yeah, I love that about new sports too. It's like that relearning a new sport.
Oh, yeah.
It's like so fucking cool. Can I try again one more time?
Yeah, of course. I'm Nate, by the way.
Isaac, nice to meet you.
See ya. Yeah. Nice job.
Can I have you get a photo of me? I'm like so stoked.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is great. What's your name?
Nate,
Nate Evo.
nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you so much, buddy.
Whoo! Yeah. Woo! Yes.